What's good, y'all? Happy Monday.
What's going on, you guys? We're back here with another video. This video is definitely going to be the coolest video on our channel in our opinion. That is because our friend Dish has given us $300 to help style him, and this is very exciting for us because we're really good friends with Dish. We hang out with him pretty much every day. Even though we're so into clothes, Dish really isn't, and he typically wears just like hoodies with sweatpants and then some running or training shoes like Nike or Puma.
Black belt in life.
He really sticks to his colors that are like navy, black, and grays, a lot of grays.
With that being said, we're really excited for this one. We hang out with Dish all the time, so he hears us babbling on about fashion
all the
and clothes
time,
constantly. So this is going to be great for him to just kind of venture out of his comfort zone, but at the same time, we're aiming to get shit that he can wear.
Yeah, we're gonna look to get a lot of pieces for this budget. We're not gonna just try and get one outfit, we're gonna try and get multiple. And we both agreed that we'll probably start with shoes because they take up such a large portion of the budget.
Before the video, we kind of agreed that we wanted to do a pair of Air Force Ones, and we thought that that would keep the price pretty low.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see what Dish thinks about the fits because that definitely will get him a little out of his comfort zone, but I think in the long run they'll definitely make him feel a little bit more confident, and hopefully he doesn't get like super into clothes like we are.
He definitely, I think, will know throughout this process that we stretched his dollar very far and that we got stuff that he will truly be proud of, and that maybe when you look a little closer and look a little deeper through the internet or wherever else you may be in a thrift, that when you do that, it results in the best outfit possible. We hope you guys enjoy the fits. Definitely let us know which one's the best.
If you're our friend, let us style you. Here's our first part of our portfolio.
Yeah, styling Dish. So we're really excited, you guys. All the stuff is here. We're gonna fast forward to an unboxing video after this, a little compilation of some of our reactions to the pieces initially after we take them out of the packaging. We're really thrilled with all the shit we got. We stayed under the budget. We ended up getting some steals that we're gonna talk about.
Yeah, we ended up not being able to get an item that both of us really wanted, and instead we got a lot of 3 of that same item, so it ended up working out really well.
In the unboxing video, Dish is going to come in an outfit that he would typically wear. We think that'll suffice as showing you basically what his style is now. There's not a lot of variation there, so observe that.
Shout out Dish.
Shout out. So yeah, without wasting any more of your time, we're just going to go right into the unboxing, and then we're going to take you into what Dish actually looks like in the fits. Those are fire. What do you think of them?
I like them. I think they're very cool. It was in winter 2018. It's not as thick as a Carhartt shirt.
Yeah. Huh. It still feels pretty damn solid, though.
I like the color of the sweatshirt, though.
So yeah, it's screen printed on there.
I thought it was embroidered.
Yeah. Damn, that looks huge. That's a big medium. I think that's gonna look good unbuttoned, which is how we were planning on styling it. Gonna have to get a little, yeah, it's soft, and it's got a little bit of a wider fit, but it's not as wide as the Dickies, so I think it'll just look really clean over the Air Forces.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, Aiden gave me
Great
a nice
packaging.
card.
Look at
We're
that.
going to read that first. Thank you. Oh, shit, it's handwritten, too. We hope that you love the new chords, Andrew. Christina.
Oh, shout out Christina.
Khaki color. That's what it's called.
I'm sorry to open it.
You're a black belt.
Black belt in life.
Alright guys, so there's 3 types of biscuits. There's one as scat. Another one is scat. And then the other one is scat.
And I'm gonna be high. gonna be. I'm a rocket man.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really great to make it. The process was really fun. Dish is gonna enjoy a lot of the stuff. You can tell by his reactions that he felt completely different about himself in those clothes, and that's the rewarding part of this. Definitely let us know which fit was the best in the comments.
Yeah, like maybe even which piece was your favorite, and let me know if you guys checked out any of these websites. Definitely check out like Carhartt. Their sale may still be going on, and I think LL Bean is still having a sale too, so definitely go check them out for sure. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hopefully more good videos coming soon. Bye, bitch.
We love y'all.